In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual print head cleaning of your Epson WorkForce 7820 printer. That means we are just going to open the printer and take the print head out so that we can remove the clogged ink and we can start using the printer normally. So lift from both sides and open this. That's the place where the ink is, and we have to actually unlock the print head. For that we will give a copy command, and once it starts to print we will unplug the printer. Copy, start, unplug now. Now lift from this side. We can see the print head is ready, so it is separated from that place. Now move it and match it with this arrow, and now you can just lift it. There are 4 ink cartridges. Remove them one by one. So that's a lock. Once you press it, and then you can take it out. Ink cartridge 2, 3 and number 4. And you can also replace or repair the print head in this method. Next is to remove this top plate. Now move it down, slide it out. We have to open this from here, so lift it. Now move it back. And now you can take this section out from this side, and then lift it from other side. Slowly it will come out. So we just remove this plate, keep it on one side. Remove this plate, so just push it little bit. So there is a lock here, just push it to the one side and push it to the other side, so both sides, and remove it. So that's the print head with the 3 screws. So we can just unscrew it, and you can do this if print head is jammed, if nozzle is jammed. You can just manually take it out and clean it. And if your print head is damaged, it's not working properly, you can also replace it. So once you pull it with it, it will come out from both sides. And now we can take it out. So that is our print head. That's how it looks like. So we are just going to clean it from here. First use a dry tissue and clean the print head. So there was some ink on this side, maybe on the other side. Yeah, so should not be on the sides, but something is there. Now move here. So here you will see the actual ink. So just clean this portion. Now we can see all the colors are showing up. You can also spray some water on the tissue. So that's here. And then wipe it with it. Do it until all the colors are showing up. Once you see the color there, that means print head has started to work and it is unclogged. On the other side, on the top, you will see the nozzles. So once we do it, once we clean it, replace it, place them back. Now install the screws. and then place this plate, the plate that was removed from here. Now place this back, so just insert it here and then put those wires below on the side, slide it in. It will lock itself, so once it reaches its position. So that is done. Next is to place your ink cartridges straight down and press it down. So it's easy to clean the print heads. That saves a lot of ink. Close it. Now close the chamber. Plug in the power cable. Now we have to remove the paper that was stuck inside. For that, again open the chamber. Just take this paper out. And so we just cleared the paper jam. On the main screen, before starting to use the printer, we have to make sure the ink is flowing through the print head. For that we will do the auto print head cleaning. Go to the main screen, scroll ahead and click on the setting, maintenance, print head cleaning. Start. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes and then it will print a nozzle check sheet. ऊपर चला जा। Print head cleaning is done. Click yes on the main screen. It will print the nozzle check sheet. Let's see the print result. So we can see it has started to print. There are only few dots or lines that are missing, and if you click on the X button on the top, it will do another print head cleaning, auto print head cleaning, and that will definitely improve the print result. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning, and then we can start using our printer for printing. Thanks for watching.